lugar ng City of Smile ng Bacolod City, kung saan ay ang grupo po ng NutriWealth Multipurpose Cooperative ay magko-conduct ng isang special Train the Trainer seminar po dito. Kaya ang lahat po ay very excited.
Itong Bacolod kasi sila ngayon yung pinaka-strongest namin ngayon. So dito namin napili ka na so sila ang pinaka-host natin. Nasa 120 ang delegates natin ngayon. So sila yung mga nag-qualify na nag-run. So ang aming qualification ngayon dito yung 16 wide.
Livestock na component. So, lahat ng mga waste product ng livestock natin, i-utilize ko natin para sa vermi production.
Sa first study po, seedling to early bearing stage pa lang po siya. Yung sa next naman po, yun po yung medyo nasa na-progress na po yung stage niya, nasa bearing siya.
Ito po suldas, rice bran sa rice bran.
Ito po yung ating vermicomposting. So sa vermicomposting, mas maganda lang po na yung gagamitin natin na organic fertilizer, yung mga farm waste natin, dadaan siya sa dumi or makain siya ng ating mga uod. Kasi kapag nakain siya ng uod, ang katawan ng ating uod ay mayroon siyang enzyme na mas pinakarami pa niya.
Po mga ka-co-op at mga proud kamay-ari sa NutriWealth Multipurpose Cooperative. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa isang napakagandang lugar, ang Kampuistuhan Highland Resort dito po sa Sitio Kampuistuhan, Barangay Kabatangan, Talisay, Negros Occidental. At ito po ay magkakaroon tayo ng isang 3 days special Train the Trainer event at welcome po sa lahat ng mga proud kamay-ari. Okay, kasama po natin ngayon si Engineer Mylene Santos at siya po ay nag-qualify, isang 4 pillars member na po ng NutriWealth Cooperative at tatanungin natin kung paano siya nag-qualify, paano siya naging 4 pillar member at anong ini-expect niya, ma'am?
Ay, unang-una, ang ini-expect ko kasi marami talagang ibibigay na raffle yan at saka mga awarding. So gusto ko doon manalo sa raffle. 16 wide ang aming mga na-invite. So what I did, nag-mentor ako sa aking mga members para sila ay mag-qualify. Ang understanding ko, pag ikaw ay nagpa-qualify ng iba para makasali dito, ay sure kang makasali rin. And that's what happened. Tulungan sir. Yes, everybody will qualify for as long as we follow the system. So anyway, may mga mentors naman. So stick with somebody who can help you qualify to this event.
In time, yung how we can intensify the partnership between the cooperatives, that I'm trying to find a solution in the cooperative movement in a radical way. Because I've been in the cooperative since 2001 and it seems mabagal. And knowing myself, gusto ko yung result. So sabi ko, what can I do? So maybe sabi ko, the advocacy and the result-based na pagkatao ko, maybe I can help in the cooperative movement. So yan ang ini-expect ko actually, the train the trainers. The principles, 6 principles of the cooperative, I know you're aware of that cooperations among cooperatives, that we are just one family. If you can see, we have different first name, like for example, Nutriwealth, and like you, but yung family name lang magkaiba-iba. So, I go with that principles na hindi tayo nagkakalayo. I don't like the yung bang competition, but rather it's a complementation. What we don't have, you have, we share. Cooperation. That's it. The Nutriwealth is that more on the, aside from the financial literacy, now we have also this magkaiba lang yung level. But in terms of wellness, nagkakaisa kami because of as a manufacturing sila, their products we are getting it at 50% off as a partner. So, di ba? So, we extend the services and the products and the businesses to our members, the grassroots. Impact sa akin, more motivated as an individual, that extending to my families and friends that cannot really avail or more than they can avail as Vincentian. So, I'm screening, ito possible ito sa Vincentian siya. I'm screening, ito may capacity sa for Nutriwealth. So, itong potential. So, yun ang ganda sa akin although it's a challenging. Well, we live and try to live up and witness and iwasan natin yung competition, yung crab mentality, yung siraan, but rather we complement. We have our own strength. We focus on our strength and complementation rather than on the weaknesses. Let's soar. Let's join together para naman nakikita tayo in the cooperative movement na hindi na tayo yung parang footnotes ng sa central bank that makes my heart broken because malaki ang potential natin. But ang nangyayari, nagiging footnote na lang tayo because watak-watak tayo. But if we are cooperating each other, we complement each other, wow, we will be on the top of the world.
Because we believe that success can be very, very simple. Sabihin nyo nga sa katabi nyo, success can be simple. You know, if success is hard, if success is difficult, it will only be experienced by a handful of persons. Kaya lang konti lang mayaman Because for them, sila lang ang nakakaintindi how to become successful. Ang tingin natin, mahirap, yumaman. Tama po ba? But, if success can be very, very simple, then I believe with all of my heart that that's the only way we can narrow the gap between the rich and the poor. Because in the whole Asia, tayo may pinakamalaking gap ng rich sa poor. In the Philippines, it's always been a common saying that the rich get richer and the poor gets poorer. Probinsya na ganito na showroom. So lahat ng mga produkto ng mga members, lahat ng produkto ng kooperatiba, ilalagay sa isang showroom. Oo, kasi marami tayong mga farmers, marami tayong nagpupunta sa product, walang market. Hindi sa walang market, hindi lang aware yung mga tao.
Kaya dito talaga sa Bacolod, supportado ng kanilang city government, yung kooperatiba at yung mga produce ng mga tao din sa community nila. Kaya ginawa natin talaga itong model sa NutriWell.
Maria, may singichat. So pinatayo yung dalawa, pinagharap po silang dalawa. Kung pwede natin mabaliktad, mukhang McDonald na po yan, kaya pinatayo. Yan po ma'am sa lahat po ng mga history ng mga Lacson. So thank you for coming. Enjoy lang tayo sa pag-ikot, enjoy lang tayo sa pagkuha ng picture, nga walang sasama. Mas maganda magkuha ng picture kung wala na rin kayo kasi po importante yung background, hindi kayo.
The owner, for imparting valuable insights during NutriWell Multipurpose Cooperative Learning Visit given this 10th day of March 2017 during the Train the Trainer at Camposohan Highland Resort, Talisay City, Negros Occidental. So, given Mr. Che Galang, Chairman, and yours truly. So, sir, marami pong salamat.